here's my car, my new car on my little layout. It's not done. Not done yet. Still need to work on it. Need to use that and basically glue all that down. Main reason why I'm recording this is because I've never seen this before. Where if it goes along the track, I've never seen a car do this. Okay, so far so good. I have never seen a car do this before. Now I need to fix this guy down here because, well, he's not doing too hot. Yeah, I've never seen a train car do this kind of stuff. I mean, I have these guys, yes, they're long, but, and yes, they'll kind of somewhat bow in, but not like one car. Because see, it's bowed in a little bit from the track. See, there's a bit of track right there. That car's not over because of how long it is. I've never seen a car. Oh my god! And the other end's like over there. Oh my god, that thing's long. I love it. But yeah, I've never seen a train car just kind of separate, because here's the first bit right here. And this all just separates because here's the track. All separates. Then here's the last bit right here. This will be coming to the club Monday. But yeah, that's it.